Hi, Nikki Fraser here. Today I want to show you how to clean our diffusers. So this diffuser isn't that dirty. A lot of mine will actually get discoloration from the oils, especially if I'm using oils that contain cinnamon or orange. A few other ones can almost leave just a slight discoloration. However, the longer you go between cleaning your diffusers, you will start to notice a decrease in the productivity that it's doing. And this is what I notice more than anything. So when I start realizing I feel like those aren't really pumping out the oils like they used to, I really give them a good clean. You should probably clean them once a week. I go way longer than that between cleaning. It's just not something I make a habit of doing, and I know it's not good for my diffusers, and it's my bad habits. So do clean them regularly. And what I use for cleaning the diffusers is just a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Some people also use vinegar. Either one will work. I just have the rubbing alcohol more handy at the moment. So I just pour a splash in, just enough to kind of cover the bottom, and make sure that especially the disc at the bottom is covered and soaking in it. And then I just grab a Q-tip. And what I do is I kind of just rub that bottom plaque a little bit just to make sure that it gets nice and clean. And if there's any stubborn little discoloration in any of the joints especially, or the creases, then I'll get in there with the Q-tip. I just dump it out into the sink. And then with the paper towel, I just rub it nice and clean. This will get rid of any of that discoloration if you have any in your diffuser. Just rub it dry, clean, gets off any residual oil that's been left behind. And then I'll typically let it dry before using it again. It's that simple to clean your diffuser. Like I said, do make it a regular part of your essential oil routine. It is important to keep our diffusers clean to work the best that they possibly can for us. Hope you have a fantastic day. Bye!